519. So this one is the x-axis, this one is the y-axis. So this one is a by 2 and this one is small a. ঠিক আছে? So you have to determine the x and the y coordinates of the centroid of the shaded area. So কি করে করব এটা?
স্যার একটা হরাইজন্টাল দিয়ে স্মল এলিমেন্ট নেব, কনসিডার করব।
ভার্টিক্যাল নেব না?
ভার্টিক্যাল নিলে ওই মানে ডান দিকের যে স্ট্রেট লাইনটা আসবে মানে অসুবিধা হবে।
So I hope now you can understand that at least you have got an idea that if you take horizontal, so you can find the area bounded by two curves. But if you take vertical, there is a different thing. So it's bounded by two curves, and this is a part bounded by this curve and the x-axis. So you have to divide the problem into two parts and then do it. But if you take a horizontal area, I hope you can understand that you are left with a problem where you are supposed to find out the bounded area between two curves. So this curve I am calling it as the curve number 2, and this curve I am calling it as the curve number 1. So as we are done, so we can now just let us assume an elemental area PQ. Let us assume an elemental area PQ at a distance of y from the x-axis. Let us assume an elemental area PQ at a distance y from the x-axis and of thickness dy. Let the coordinates be P. So this will be x1 comma y, and this coordinate will be Q, x2 comma y. So I hope you can understand that both these points P and Q will be having the coordinates of y. Let G prime, xc prime, yc prime be the let G prime, xc prime, and yc prime be the coordinates of the centroid of the elemental area PQ. So G prime represents the centroid of the elemental area PQ having coordinates xc prime and yc prime. ठीक है? So what will be xc prime and what will be yc prime? So xc prime, that should be equal to what? So xc prime, I hope you can understand that xc prime will be equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, the average of x1 and x2, and yc prime, that should be equal to that should be equal to y. So now let's start the problem. So initially we have to find out. I will be doing the other things. Let's just see how it proceeds actually. So the elemental area dA, so that should be equal to x2 minus x1 into dy. I hope you can understand. So if I draw this elemental area here, so it is something like this. So this is the elemental area. The thickness is dy. And this length will be x2 minus x1. So this length will be x2 minus x1. So this elemental area will be equal to x2 minus x1 into dy. So now we need to find out x2 and x1. So x2, it lies on the curve 2. So the equation of the curve 2. So what will be the equation of the curve 2? So equation of curve 2. So it's actually part of a circle actually. So its equation will be x square plus y square, that is equal to a square. You get it? So now this point Q, x2 comma y lies on the curve 2. So we should be having x2 square plus y square, that is equal to a square. So x2, that is equal to root over of a square minus y square. So this is one value we have got. Similarly, we need to calculate the value, the curve. So what is the equation of the curve 1? So equation of the curve 1. So the curve 1 is a straight line actually. So its equation will be y is equal to mx plus c. So c is the y-intercept. So that is a. So y is equal to mx plus a, and it passes through the point. So you can take any point, like it passes through this point. So this point is having the coordinates of 0, comma a. So it passes through the point 0, comma a. So a will be equal to m into 0 plus a. সেটা তো হবে না, it passes to this point, so এটা কি হবে, this is a by 2 comma 0 I think, তাই তো, so it should be 0 is equal to m into a by 2 plus e, so m into a by 2 that is equal to minus a, so m is equal to minus 2, so this is minus 2x plus a, so this is the equation of the curve 2. ঠিক আছে, so now this point, so the point P actually, it lies, P is having a coordinate of x1 comma y, it lies on the curve 1, so if I put it here, so y that is equal to minus 2x1 plus a, so x1 will be equal to y, or x1 will be equal to a minus y divided by 2. So now if I put the values here, so if I put the values of x1 and x2 here, what I should be left with, so x2 minus x1, so x2 is what? So x2 is root over of a square minus y square minus x1 is a minus y divided by 2 into dy. So now I hope you can complete this integration. So it is an integration in y. So it is integration of a square minus y square into dy minus half integration of a minus y into dy. So y varies from 0 to a. So just complete this integration and see what is the value of the bounded area you are getting. Tatri Gaurav.
A square by 4 into pi minus 1.
So it is a square by 4 into pi minus 1. So this is the first part. So we have got
আচ্ছা,
the,
এইটাকে ইন্টিগ্রেশনের বদলে আমি ওই সার্কেল থেকে ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের এরিয়াটা বাদ দিয়ে করতে পারি, না ইন্টিগ্রেশন করে করতে হবে?
আমরা করব, সেটা আমরা আজকেই করব, সেটা একটা ডিফারেন্ট মেথড, দ্যাটস এ ডিফারেন্ট মেথড, সেটা আমি যেটা ফার্স্ট টাইমে বললাম যে ইউ ক্যান ডু ইট বাই থ্রি মেথডস, ফার্স্ট ওয়ান ইজ দ্য ইন্টিগ্রেশন মেথড, নেক্সট ওয়ান ইজ দ্য মানে অ্যাডিশন সাবট্রাকশন অফ এরিয়া, সো সার্টেন এরিয়া দ্যাট ইজ আইদার it's actually composite area. I hope you can understand. এটা আমরা এই পরেই ক্লাসে করতাম, it's a composite area, so it's a actually the bounded area is actually a quarter circle minus a triangle, ঠিক আছে, so using that formula we'll be doing, and the third formula is, the third one is different, that's for the 3D cases, so these two methods we can do actually, so এইটা আমি integration দিয়ে করাচ্ছি because মানে both ways you have to do it, ঠিক আছে, at least you have to learn both the ways. ঠিক আছে, সবার এই পার্টটা হয়ে গেছে, এভরিওয়ান হ্যাজ কমপ্লিটেড দিস ওয়ান, এই পার্টটুকু কপি করা হয়ে গেছে এভরিওয়ান?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now the problem is simpler. I hope you can understand the concept, and then it becomes just a
Calculation.
video. So x bar that is equal to integration of xc prime into dA divided by integration of dA. So that is 1 by a integration of what is xc prime. So xc prime is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 into dA. So 1 by a integration of, so let's write it like x2 plus x1 by 2. X2 plus x1 by 2. So x2 plus x1 divided by 2 into dA. So what will be dA? So dA will be equal to x2 minus x1 into dy. So we should be having 1 by 2a integration of x2 square minus x1 square into dy. So that is 1 by 2a into integration of x2 square. So what is x2 square? So x2 square is a square minus y square. So a square minus y square into dy minus x1 square. So x1 square is a minus y by 2 whole square into dy. So y varies from 0 to a. So now I hope you can do this integration. Okay, integration the koro. Let's do this integration. So it is 1 by 2a. So it is a square dy. So it is a cube by a cube. Sorry, a square dy. So it is a square into dy is y. So 0 to a minus y square dy. Mane y cube by 3 0 to a minus এটা কত হচ্ছে এটাকে বাইরে নিয়ে নাও so minus 1 by 4 and inside you are having a square dy so a square into y 0 to a plus y square dy মানে y cube by 3 0 to a and minus 2ay so 2a into y dy মানে y square by 2 0 to a. So now you simplify this one and see what is the value of x bar you are getting.
Sir, 7 by 24 a cube. 7 by 24 a cube.
কে বললো এটা?
Sir, Anusha Raj.
It is not the e cube. It's not the x bar. By
Sir,
a.
x bar is coming to be 7a by
7a
6
by-
whole into pi minus 1.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है 6a pi minus 1. तुम्हारा रोल कितना है?
Sir, मेरा
हम्म
अनुषा का
हाँ अनुसार जो आंसर बोले
217.
कितना बोला 217.
Yes, sir, 217.
ठीक है very good the answer is correct. So next do y bar. So y bar is integration of yc prime dA divided by integration of dA. So that is 1 by a integration of yc prime. Yc prime is y into dA. What is dA? dA is x2 minus x1 into dy. So it will be integration of y into x2. So x2 was root over of a square minus y square dy minus x1 was a minus y by 2. So that is y into a minus y by 2 into dy. So y varies from 0 to a. So it's a difficult integration. I hope you can do. 8 is easier. This one is easier. This you can do easily. And 8 for this case, I hope you can take a square minus y square is equal to z square, and that will solve the purpose. I don't know whether y is there. So you will be getting y dy in that itself. So you will be having a square minus y square is equal to z square. So minus 2y dy that is equal to 2z dz. So 2 cancels out. Y dy you are getting. So this y dy you are getting. This one becomes z. So I hope you can do the integration taking by this substitution. Complete follow. Just complete this one.
Sir, y bar is equals to a by pi
A by
minus
pi
1.
minus 1.
সৌভিক কত রোল?
Sir, 61.
সৌভিক আর প্রবাল, তাই তো?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
কত স্কয়ার প্রবাল?
A by pi minus
A
1.
by pi minus 1.
ঠিক আছে, okay, very good. So next we start with the composite figures. ঠিক আছে, এটা মুছে ফেলবো. All of you have copied this one.
Board is a little blurry, sir. Would you mind waiting?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir. Done.
এটা মুছে ফেললাম। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে। So let's just discuss an initial problem, then we'll be coming back to this problem itself. এটি করা যেত still. So just last day we had discussed that CG of composite figures. CG of composite figures. So just last day we had discussed. So if it's a composite figure, so you find out, you divide it into a number of even geometrical figures or regular geometrical figures for which the centroid can be easily determined. And then once you know the centroid of every area, so suppose XC, so suppose there is an area, so I am dividing it into certain areas like A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus dot dot dot. So this has to be regular areas so that the centroid of it is known. So suppose the centroid of A1 is X1, so we should be having like A1 X1 plus A2 X2 plus dot dot plus AN XN divided by A1 plus A2 plus dot 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 plus AN. And similarly the case for Y bar, XC bar, YC bar. So that should be equal to A1 Y1 plus A2 Y2 plus dot 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 plus AN YN divided by A1 plus A2 plus dot 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 AN. ঠিক আছে? And just keep in mind the formula remains the same. Just keep in mind that if it's a cutout, the A will be equal to A, you have to take it as negative area. I mean no contribution for the centroid. So let's start with the problem. So we'll be discussing with problem number or sample problem itself. So problem number 5, 6. The sample problem actually it consists of many simpler things actually. So that's why I'm doing the sample problem. So yes, it's a bit difficult for me to draw it on the board. So এখানে দেখো, I hope you can see this one. So এটাকে আমরা just initially let's this one is a rectangle and this one is a triangular part here. Acha, this one is 12. So in length this is 12 inches, and from the bottom, if you keep counting, it is 3 plus 6 plus 2. That is 3 plus 3 is 6, 7, 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 6, that is 9 plus 11 plus 1, 12. So এটাকে যদি আমি drop করি, so if I drop this one, so this should be like this, so that there is a semicircular part here also. So this length is 3, this length is 3, this length is 3 inches, and then the end of this one. So this is 2 inches, and this is the line from the top. So this is 1 inch, this is 1 inch, so that this entire length is 2 inches. And then from here to here is 5 inches. So 5 inches is from here to here. So here to here is 5 inches. So the base of the triangle, so this is 1 inch, this is 1 inch. So the base of the triangle is the feet here. Sorry. But I am not writing the inches one. The likhte gele confusing ho jaচ্ছে.
Sir, what is the question number?
It's an example. 248 page.
Okay.
5, 6.
This is one, this is one. This is sample problem. 5 by 6. Chapter 5, problem number, sample problem 6. ठीक है? So 8 again. So you have to find out the centroid of this one. So I hope you can understand that such sort of problem is difficult to do using integration. You can do it, but the same problem will be arriving. Now you have to find the bounded curve. So as you can see, there are many curves, so you will be lost.
এলিমেন্টাল এরিয়া নিতে গেলে অসুবিধা হবে।
But so you will be having problems if you choose an elemental area, because you can see that there are many curves between which it's bounded actually, and there is also some negative areas actually. So that is why you have to do, the integration will be becoming much complicated. So that is why in this case you have to choose a method that's based on the area. Why you can choose it? Because it's formed by many simpler figures actually. So what are the simpler figures constituting? So if I could draw it, so if I draw Karata, it's difficult for me. So just rather if I could name them, like suppose this one is A, this one is B, this one is C, this point is C. Okay, so this point is D. Acha. C. So this point, okay, so this one is C, D. Let's call this one as E. This point as G or Bolchina, E, F. So let's call this point as F. Okay, so it's made up of a rectangle A, B, C, D plus a triangle B, C, E. We can also consider it like this also. It may be done like this also. It may be having a rectangle like this and a triangle like this goes out. Okay, either addition or subtraction, whatever you feel like. So either you can do an addition here, this plus this, or you can do a subtraction of a bigger rectangle minus this triangle. Okay, so we are choosing the simpler one. So this is rectangle 1. So I am calling it the figure number 1 or shape 1. This is plus shape 2. What else? So there are two cutouts. So the cutouts are minus. So this is the rectangular area being cut out. So this is, I am calling it as say 3. I am not naming it. It's simpler to understand. Minus. There is a semicircular portion cut out. Okay, this with the center F. This is, I am calling it as 4. So now if I go to figure number 1, so for the rectangle 1, so for the rectangle ABCD, what we should be having is like, so this is curve number 1. So it is shape 1. So A1, that is equal to what? What is the area of this rectangle? So area will be equal to 12 into this height. So this height is given to be, so this height is given to be 244. Drawing that ঠিক হয়নি. Drawing should have been এটা একটু মানে এটা 4 হওয়া উচিত ছিল. ঠিক আছে? So this point is E. This is 2. This is 4. And this one is 4 again. This height is 4 inches. So the total for the rectangular is 12 cross 8, 10. So 12 cross 10. So that is equal to 120 inch square. Okay? So what is x1? So x1 is, so now, so I am drawing every figure based on its position with the axis system chosen. So suppose this is the rectangle part. So I hope you can understand. So this is 12 inches. This is 10 inches. So what will be the centroid? So this is for a rectangle. The centroid, I hope you can understand that since it's symmetric, it will be lying at b by 2, d by 2. So that will be equal to x1. That will be equal to, so b by 2, breadth by 2. So breadth is equal to 12. So 12 by 2, that is 6 inches. And what will be y1? So y1 will be equal to depth by 2. So that is equal to 10 by 2. That is equal to 5 inches. ঠিক আছে? বোঝা গেছে এতটা? You're able to understand up to this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So next one is the rectangle. আমি একটু মুছে দিচ্ছি. So just keep these values, but I have to rub them off. Okay. So next one is the triangle. Name B, C, E. So this is 2. So triangle. So what will be A2? So let's draw this triangle. So see, you have to maintain the axis system of coordinates. You have cannot define a different coordinate system with for this one because this and this are tied to each other. So that is why. So if the rectangle ends here, so the triangle as per my coordinate system lies somewhere here. So we should be having like, so this one, the base should be equal to 6 inches. I hope you can understand. So this 5 plus 1, 6. And this height of the triangle is 10 inches. Okay? So A2, the area of the triangle will be equal to half into base into altitude. So this is 30 inch square. Now we'll do another. Wait. না ঠিকই আছে ঠিক আছে এটা this one is correct ঠিক আছে hello
Yes, sir.
ঠিক আছে then x2 so x2 will be equal to what so x2 will be equal to for a triangle so if you consider it to be a triangle so I am coming from this side so আমি এই দিক থেকে আসছি so I will have to travel a distance initially of 3 plus 6 9 plus 10 11 plus 12 so this one no 9 10 11 there so I'm going to 12 থেকে start হচ্ছে so it start from 12 inches so I have to initially travel a distance of 12 inches and then so this is a triangle having a height of 6 inches so the depth of the triangle is 6 inches so the CG of that one from here it will be 2/3 h and from here it will be 1/3 h so that will be equal to 6 by 3 h by 3 so the depth of the triangle from this side is 6 so that this will be equal to 6 by 3 so we should be having 12 plus 6 by 3 so that should be equal to 2 means it's 14 inches similarly y2 that's equal to what so y2 is so when you are considering the triangle from this side so let this be the depth of the triangle so if this is the depth of the triangle and the CG is located right like here so from this side so if this is 10 inches from this side so this height you are taking this height actually so this height will be depth by 3 actually so that should be equal to 10 by 3 inches so this is the CG of the triangle I hope you can understand so this is the CG of the triangle so from whichever side you are considering so when you are calculating it along x take the depth to be 6 inches when you are calculating it along y-axis take the depth to be equal to 10 inches so this should be equal to 10 by 3 this height and from this side it should be equal to 6 by 3 ঠিক আছে
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so call it as G2 G2 মানে centroid of the triangle হয়ে গেল so now we move to the third part এটা মুছে ফেলবো দেখো this one is most important so here two things are to be learned number one হচ্ছে কি there the axis system remains constant so you cannot don't change the axis system don't count it like 6 by 3 so you have to count it from the origin of coordinates so the origin of coordinates as selected for the composite figure you have to adopt it for the simpler individual figures also so when you are calculating x2 you have to calculate its offset from the origin actually so the offset is 12 and its own distance from its base to this centroid is h by 3 so the depth from this side is 6 so that is why it should be 6 by 3 okay on the y-axis actually you see that it lies on the origin actually so that is why you have to just take 10 by 3 had it been offset it is if offset hoto you have to take that offset also had it been offset from this one then you have to consider that offset also ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে বোঝা গেছে
Yes, sir.
ইয়েস স্যার তো আসতে হয়ে যাচ্ছে কেন দিন হ্যাঁ বোঝা যাচ্ছে না
না হ্যাঁ, স্যার স্যার, বুঝতে যাচ্ছে। পেরেছি।
so third one is the rectangle so this rectangle so let's call it like কি নাম দেবো বলো
PQRS.
হ্যাঁ PQRS P নেই তো বাহ very good PQRS So let's call it like PQRS. So it's the third figure. So A3. So let's draw it on the axis system. So as I discussed, if it's offset from the origin of coordinates, so you have to consider that one also. So the triangle lies here, the rectangle lies somewhere here. So that is why. So you have a follow. So this length. So this one is A distance ta koto. So this distance is
11.
A enter 9. কেন 7 হবে 6 9 10 11 11 inches ঠিক আছে আমি 11 শুধু লিখছি just to avoid that inches confusion sign এর সাথে you may confuse so because of my handwriting rather ঠিক আছে so it is 11 inches আচ্ছা so এইটা হচ্ছে 4 inches so এই ডিসটেন্সটা কত so this distance এই offset ডিসটেন্সটা কত এই offset ডিসটেন্সটা হচ্ছে 2 inches ঠিক আছে So now for this rectangle, A3 will be equal to, so it is 4, this one is 4 inches and this one is 2 inches I think. So it should be equal to 2 cross 4.
Then, so distance টা যেটা y axis বরাবর ওটা বোধহয় 3 inches হবে।
হ্যাঁ?
সেমি সার্কেলের রেডিয়াস তো স্যার সেমি সার্কেলের ওটা কি একসাথেই হচ্ছে না?
না ওখানে দেয়া আছে তো 2 inches right there is given in the diagram
আমি সেমি সার্কেলটা দেখে করতে গেছিলাম ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে
ঠিক আছে so A3 টা পেয়ে গেলাম so what is x3 so x3 will be equal to কি হবে
12
so this is y this is x so x3 will be equal to I hope you can understand that this is b by 2 so the breadth is 2 so the origin will be so the centroid will be here so this is g3 I am calling it so this distance will be so this distance is 2 so this should be 1 inches ঠিক আছে So x3 will be equal to 11 is the offset plus 1. So that is equal to 12 inches. Achha. Then y3. So y3 is equal to what? Y3 is equal to the offset is 2 from the origin of coordinates and this distance is 4 by 2. So 2 plus 4 by 2. So that is equal to 2 plus 2, 4 inches. ঠিক আছে?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the last one, সেটা মুছে ফেলছি হ্যাঁ space is limited so I have to rub them off. So the last one is the 4 which is the semicircle. So for the semicircle so let's first draw it here. So this is the semicircle with center A. So the offset is also it's 3 inches. Okay. So I hope you can understand that it has centroid টা কোথায় থাকবে? So G3. এটা একটু বড় করে আঁকি। Let it be like this. So now so G3 will be somewhere like here. ঠিক আছে G4. So this is G4. So this distance will be equal to half of this one. So this one is given. So this one will be 3. Okay, it is symmetric about the one. This semicircle is symmetric. So that is why this should be 3. And it will lie on the y-axis of the semicircle itself. And এটাকে যদি আমি y prime করি, if this is the মানে কি বলবো local coordinate of the semicircle, so it should be 3 plus 3. So for the semicircle, so A4 কি হবে pi r square by 2. So pi into r square divided by 2. So এটাকে একটু ক্যালকুলেট করো so just calculate this one. So that is equal to আচ্ছা এগুলোকে নেগেটিভ দেবে হ্যাঁ so just as I had discussed so this should be negative areas. So this is minus just calculate it I hope it should be coming out to be 14.14 inch square. What is x4? So x4 will be equal to কি হবে
6 inches.
That is equal to 6 inches. And what will be y4? So y4 will be equal
4r
to
by 3 pi.
So this 4r by 3 pi. So there is no offset. So this is y4. So y4 will be equal to 4 into r by 3 pi. So that is equal to 4 into r is 3 divided by 3 into pi. So that is equal to 4 by pi. ঠিক আছে? So 1.273 inches is the answer for this one. ঠিক আছে? So you can see that এখানে কিন্তু x and x4 y4 they are positive. So if I put in the formula, it becomes confusing which one is negative. A is negative or xy is negative. So that is why you have to understand that only A is negative. This can be negative or positive based on the coordinate system chosen. So for this problem, I have chosen the coordinate system anywhere. I could have chosen the coordinate system here also. It would have yielded the same results. I mean, coordinate system I could have taken here also. So it would have given me the same results. Same result based on this coordinate system. You are offsetting the coordinate system, so you'll be getting a value of a coordinate which is based on this coordinate system itself. So the result will be the same. So this value may be negative. I mean, if I had taken xy here, this x4, y4 would have come as negative. So actual negative in the formula, actual negative is the area because it's missing its contribution to the centroid. But every elemental area is contributing to the calculation of the centroid. But if I miss out this area, so this area, the contribution of this area is actually getting subtracted while calculating the centroid of the element. So once you have got all the values, just so I hope now you can understand. So just do it. It's just easy calculation. So x bar will be equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3 plus a4 x4. So I don't find it good that you write minus here. So always put the formula like this. The formula remains the same. It's actually addition. But if you find a negative area or a cutout area, just put it to be negative. So just calculate it, just put the values you have got. A1 you have got, x1 you have got. So just put the values and see what is the value of x bar you are getting. Similarly, for y bar, just keep calculating. So y bar will be equal to a1 y1 plus a2 y2 plus a3 y3 plus a4 y4 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4. So just put the values. So a3, a4 will be negative as you know. So just calculate. A3, a4 negative. So put a3, a4 negative at the bottom also, and in the denominator also. And complete this calculation. Just see. So if you can see the tables actually, so you can solve it using tables also. So if you go to the book of Merriam and Craig, see they have just made one table. So that reduces this efforts actually. So you can make a table, and if you see in the table, you can see that only the areas have been put to be negative, not the coordinates x bar and y bar of individual areas.
Yes, sir.
Everyone has copied this one. Let me know the answers. The answers are given, nothing to be calculated. So it's given in the book. Just calculate and see what is the answer you will be getting. Just see whether it matches with the answers in the book. It should be matching. So now we return back to the same problem 551 to see whether we get the same results using the things that we did using integration. So this is the problem, or rather this was the problem for us. The first problem. So this is x, this is y. This one is a semicircle, and there is a triangle here. So this one is A. No. This one is A by 2 and this one is A. So now we need to calculate the centroid of this composite figure. So it's rather easier, still I am doing it so that you can understand what is the difference between the two. So this is actually sort of like this. So this is the semicircle. X, Y. So minus this is the triangle. Both are having the same start and end points. That is why that's not a problem. There is no offset as of between the two figures. So A cap হচ্ছে A, this one is A, this one is A again, and this one is A by 2, this one is A. ঠিক আছে? So this curve I am calling it as 1, and this triangle I am calling it as 2. So A1, what will be A1? A1 will be equal to
I square by 4.
আমাকে একটু মনে করাবে হ্যাঁ 10:50 তে just remind me at 10:50 so that I can complete the attendance in time. CR
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
equal to pi r square by 4. So pi square divided by 4. So this is for the quarter circle 1. Okay, pi square by 4. What is x1? So x1 will be, so you have calculated for the quarter circle, you have calculated. Last day just we have calculated. So it is 4r by 3 pi from both the ends. So this is 4r by 3 pi and this is also 4r by 3 pi. So this is G1. ठीक है? So x1 will be equal to, so this is the origin. So x1 will be equal to 4r by 3 pi. So that is r is 4a by 3 pi. And y1 that will be equal to what? Again that will be equal to 4a by 3 pi. Now for the triangle 2, what will be A2? So A2 will be equal to YOLO.
A square.
Square by
A square by 4.
A square by
A
4.
square by 4.
Square by 4. What is x2? So x2 will be equal to, so just if I could draw it here. So this is x, this is y. So this is the origin. So let the centroid be here. So let's call it G2. So eta, so if I consider x from the in the x direction, this is the depth of the triangle. So the depth of the triangle, so this length will be depth by 3. So what is the depth? So the depth is a by 2. So this will be a by 2 divided by 3. So x2 will be equal to a by 2 divided by 3. ठीक है sir? So that will be equal to a divided by 6. And what will be y2? So y2 will be this one. So y2 will be this one. So when I am taking from this side, I have to take this as the depth of the triangle. So the depth of the triangle is a. So this length will be, so this length, this to this, there should be a to go a. So this should be a by 3. So this will be equal to a by 3. So now let's do the final calculation. So x bar that will be equal to a1 x1 minus a2 x2 plus minus divided by a1 plus a2. So that is equal to what is a1? A1 is pi square by 4 into x1. So what is x1? X1 is 4a by 3 pi minus, so the area I am putting it as negative. So minus a square by 4 minus a square by 4 into x2 a by 6 divided by a1 plus a2. So a1 plus a2 will be what? This one. So pi square by 4 minus a by 6 minus a square by 4. So just calculate x bar and see whether it matches with the answer we calculated for the first problem in this class.
Sir, 7a by 6 into pi minus 1.
হ্যাঁ আগেরটার সাথে ম্যাচ খাবে তো।
হ্যাঁ আগেরটার সাথে ম্যাচ।
একই problem match হওয়া উচিত। ঠিক আছে, এখানে আমি বেশি প্রবলেমস আর করাবো না, একটা প্রবলেম করে এই চ্যাপ্টারটা শেষ করে দেবো, বিকজ এখানে this sort of problems are very easy. You can do it by yourselves and let me know if you are having any trouble in any problem. ঠিক আছে, আমরা থার্ডটাতে চলে যাব, because that considers the 3D centroids actually. Use of Pappus-Galligas theorem, সেটাই আমরা নেক্সট ক্লাস থেকে করব। তো আজকে আরেকটা প্রবলেম করে we will end this one. Only 3 problems for this chapter. Regular easier problems. You can try it all the problems you can try. I hope these are easier problems for you. এটা হয়ে গেছে, এসছে, মিলেছে?
Yes, sir.
কত এসছে?
ইয়েস স্যার।
কত
তো
এসছে?
আগেরটা
আগেরটা
Sir,
কত
x
এসছিল?
bar হচ্ছে 7a by 6 into pi minus 1.
ঠিক আছে, this will be the answer. Y bar টা similarly I hope you can do it. Still আমি just expressions গুলো লিখে দিচ্ছি. So y bar that is equal to a1 y1 plus a2 y2 divided by a1 plus a2. So what is a1? So a1 is pi square by 4 into y1. So y1 is 4a by 3 pi into plus minus a square by 4 negative area cross y2 কত ছিল মুছে ফেলেছি y2 was a by 3 divided by a1 plus a2. So 4a by 3 pi plus minus a square by 4. pi square by 4 হবে ঠিক আছে? So just do it and see. The answer will be a by pi minus 1. So y bar you should be getting as a divided by pi minus 1. ঠিক আছে? ঠিক আছে?
Yes, sir.
ইয়েস স্যার।
Yes, sir.
Okay, so last একটা প্রবলেম করছি, বাকিগুলো একটু নিজেরা ট্রাই করো, জাস্ট প্রবলেম উইথ ভ্যালুজ আর কি 547 টা করো। 547 সবকটাই সিমিলার সর্ট অফ প্রবলেমস, ঠিক আছে? 47 48 দুটোর মধ্যে যে কোনো একটা করতে পারো। লেটস ডু 47, ইজি আছে জাস্ট। Coordinate system already defined, so you won't be having any problems. So just as I discussed, that if you choose a different coordinate system, you will be getting a different answer, but that corresponds to that coordinate system itself. The answer doesn't change, or the location of the centroid doesn't change. So you will be getting a coordinate that's based on the new coordinate system you have chosen. Okay, so you can solve it taking another coordinate system also. So just you will be getting a value that's different, but that's same for the coordinate system you have chosen. ঠিক আছে, 547 টা করো, আমি একটু জাস্ট ডিসকাস করে দিচ্ছি। So this is x, this is y. They're just triangle, so it's easier problem. So at its center, so dotted lines are not present, yeah. There is a circle. This one is 200 millimeter. This one again is 200 millimeter. So this one is 150 millimeter. The height is 125, 125. So, ekhane 125 millimeter. This height again is 125 millimeter. Radius of the circle is 400 millimeter, I think. Now 60 millimeters, sorry. This is 60 millimeters. Okay? So I hope you can do this one. So let's divide it into a rectangle. So let's call this rectangle as 1. So it's a rectangle. So I'm calling it as 1 plus a triangle minus a circle. So this I'm calling it as 2. This I'm calling it as 3. So A1. So for the rectangle. So the first one is the rectangle. So for rectangle, A1 will be equal to what? A1 will be equal to this is breadth into depth. So breadth is 400. So let's keep in millimeter itself. Millimeter ही राखो, दरकार नहीं. millimeter ही रखो. So it's 400 into 125 plus 125 is 250 I think. ठीक है sir? So it should be 25 400. So 100 into 10 cube millimeter square. What will be x1? So x1 will be equal to, so this one, so x1 will be equal to 200 millimeter. What will be y1? Y1 will be equal to this one. So this centers actually coincide. On the center of the circle and the center of the rectangle, they are actually coinciding actually. So y1 will be equal to 200 millimeter itself. Okay. So next one is the triangle. So for the triangle, what is A2? A2 is half into base into altitude. So altitude is 250.
So y1 is 125 millimeter.
Y?
Y1.
125 millimeter. ठीक है सर? So ये calculate करो A2 टा ये आस्ते x2. So what will be x2? So you can understand. ये क्या होता है? This one is the triangle. So this triangle, so its center will be somewhere like here. Say I'm calling it as G2. So G2 will be the offset is 400 plus this length. So this length will be, this is the depth from this side. So 150 by 3. So it should be 400 plus 150 divided by 3. ठीक है सर? फिर आगे करो and y2 will be equal to, so again you have to consider the depth on this side. So this is the height. So the depth on this side is 250. So this length will be, so this length will be 1/3 of this length. So this length is 250. So this will be 250 by 3. So y2 will be equal to 250 divided by 3. And the third one is the semicircle, which is a cutout. So the third one is a semicircle being a cutout. So A3 will be equal to minus, it's a circle, sorry, pi r square. Pi into r square. Pi r square. Then x3 will be equal to what? So x3 will be equal to 200 millimeter. And y3 will be equal to again 125 millimeter. ठीक है सर? Now put the values and calculate the values for x bar and y bar. So just complete this. So x bar will be equal to sigma ax divided by sigma a, and y bar, that should be equal to sigma ay divided by sigma a. So it again calculate for and see what are the answers we are getting.
Sir, x bar 243.62 আসছে।
কত আসছে একবার?
243.62 243.62 আর
Sir,
y
y bar
বারটা হচ্ছে
117.78.
1 মানে 108 এর
yes,
মতো।
ঠিক আছে? So x bar will be, so just I am writing the answers. এখানে লিখছি। So x bar will be equal to 243.6 millimeter and y bar will be equal to 178 millimeter. 177.8, sorry, 177.8 millimeters. ठीक है? Just calculate and see if you are getting these answers. Let's start with the attendance. নেক্সট ডে থেকে পাপাস গার্ডিয়ানাস থিওরেম করাবো, তাহলে এই পার্টটা অনেকটাই উইল বি কমপ্লিট। এটা কপি হয়ে গেছে? ইউ হ্যাভ কপিড দিস ওয়ান?
স্যার তার মানে 3D
Yes,
ডায়াগ্রাম
sir.
করাবে?
এটা কপি হয়েছে?
হ্যাঁ, স্যার।
Yes, sir.
Yes,
সবার
sir.
everyone? Everyone has copied this one? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.